got this 8y equal 40. Only one step, divide by 8. 40 divided by 8. 8y divided by 8 is y. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Answer is 5. It's a one step. How about next one? Did you write it? Did you do mistake this one, or you
didn't know whether to put plus 40 on the 8, divided 8 or the 40.
Okay, try next one. Ten plus 2x equal 36. What is the first step? How do you take the 10 away? Minus 10. Right? Both side minus 10. Here 10 minus 10 is cancel. What left? 2x. And 36 minus 10, 26. And next step, 2x become x. What do you do? Divide or multiple?
Multiple.
What is a multiple?
Times, because it's the opposite of take away.
Which number you multiple? 2x?
What?
I need to get the x, no? I need to get 2x to x. Answer should be here x, right? How I get 2x to x? What should you do? Here divide by 2. Then you divide by 2. Right? Then 2 to 2 cancel, that's it. Likewise, you have to divide by 2. 26 divided by 2? 13. X equal 30. Got it? 2 steps. Take away 10, divide by 2. And we go for the next one. Have you written answer? Good. Next one, try this one. 5a minus 3. We have done so many examples. You should get this one correct. Now we have minus 3. Take 2 minutes and do it. Yeah.
Is
a minus 3, 12. What is first step?
is
Plus 3 or minus 3?
3.
Plus 3. Do the both sides same, plus 3. Then this is 5a because minus 3 will cancel. 12 plus 3, 15.
And
What's the
then
next one?
divide,
Divide by 5.
and you'll get A equals
15 divided by 5? 3.
Yeah.
Okay. That's easy. All right.